Hey guys, it's Lindsay at the blog Repurpose and Upcycle, and I started this blogging journey back in 2015. I had just had my second child and I quit my job to stay at home with the kids. We had just purchased a foreclosure and it was a great home, but the inside needed some serious updating. Also around that time, my style started changing. And so I was in this new home that needed serious updating and I hated my furniture, I hated everything in it. So I thought, how am I going to update this home with no time and no money? So during that time, I started painting furniture. I went to the thrift stores and bought things to recreate. I made curtains out of shower curtains. I painted everything. During that time where I started to paint furniture and I started to update spaces in my home, I joined Instagram and I gained tons of inspiration. And somehow, a little bit after that, this blog was born. My goal with my blog, my goal in creating content is creating easy, reproducible ideas that you as viewers and readers can say, oh yeah, I can do that. I don't have a lot of time and I don't have a lot of money, but I can do this. Because I promise if I can do it, you can too.